Did you know that there's a side hustle that can make you thousands of dollars a month? And people are just sitting on it? There's literally thousands of Telegram channels making thousands of dollars a month delivering content to their massive audiences. You heard that right. Telegram channels. In niches like news, finance, IT, and real estate, creators are quickly getting thousands of subscribers and turning that into some serious cash. In fact, in 2025, one creator even made between $3,000 to $5,000 a month from only 15,000 subscribers. It's crazy. So if you're like me and you're looking for a little side hustle to help with the bills, you're probably thinking to yourself, what have you got to do to get in on the action? Well, the first thing you'll need is a public Telegram channel, which is the easy part. The second thing you'll need to do is post daily exciting content to your audience. Now that's the hard part. Do this manually, and you're going to rip your hair out. For lack of a better word, it's very tiring. So in this video, we're going to show you how to build an automation in make.com that not only creates the content for you, but also schedules your Telegram posts every day. So here's a look at the automation we'll be using to run our Telegram channel. As you can see, we've got a bunch of tools set up, but the end result stays the same: scheduling the latest news to go out to our Telegram channel. You're going to start by adding an Airtable module to your scenario. In Airtable, all you're going to need are 3 tables: the topic's name field, the scheduled field, and the created field. It's a pretty straightforward setup from here. In your Airtable module, all you're going to do is pick your base, select your table, and pick your trigger field and label field. Your trigger field is going to be the created field from Airtable. This isn't optional, by the way. You have to use this field as your created field. And your label field is going to be the topic's name field from Airtable. So select your Airtable module to start right now, and head over to your table and add a new row. Next, you're going to want to add a HTTP module, and you're going to use this to make an API call to a third-party API service that will provide us the news you'll want to send to your channel. For this tutorial, we're just going to copy and paste a module we had set up earlier. Now you can use Apify and Rapid API as your news finder provider. But the most important thing you want is for the module to return a news result using the topic's name field from Airtable as your query. Let's run the scenario we've built so far and see what we'll get. The scenario is looking good. Let's move on to your next step. Right now, you're going to add an AI chatbot module to your scenario. What you're doing right now is taking the news result from the HTTP module and having your chatbot spice it up a little bit. Give it a bit of sensationalism. We're using Anthropic's Claude for our demonstration. But for your build, you can use ChatGPT, Grok, and Llama. It all depends on which tool you're comfortable with. Our prompt is going to take the snippet from our news result and create a sensational headline to grab your audience's attention. Our prompt is also going to provide the link to the news article, but that's optional and completely up to you. Let's run the scenario one more time and check out our output. Our output's looking good. It looks sensational and attention-grabbing, which is perfect for Telegram channels. Now that we've got content for our Telegram channel, we're going to want to schedule our posts to go out to our channel every day. Can you imagine trying to do this manually every day? Me neither. To do that, we're going to add the Post Pulse module to our scenario. So search for the Post Pulse module and pick the Create a Post action. This is the action that's going to allow us to schedule our Telegram posts. Now, by the time we're done setting up our automation, this is what we want the final result to look like in our Post Pulse dashboard. Our Telegram content scheduled for the very next day. Hop back over to make and set up your scheduled date and time in your Post Pulse module. For your post to be scheduled for different dates every day, you're going to want to use this neat little trick. Switch to the calendar sections of Toolbar and select the Add Days function. This is going to add an extra day to your scheduled date every time your automation runs. Effectively, scheduling post days ahead. Now, for more quick-fire news, I'd recommend you ignore this trick and just add the Now function instead. That will schedule and send your post to your Telegram channel immediately. After that, select your Telegram account and select the Telegram channel of your choice. Quick sidebar. To allow Post Pulse to schedule posts to your Telegram channel, you're going to have to add the Post Pulse bot to your channel as an administrator. This will give Post Pulse access to your channel. Once you've done that, all that's left to do is to map your AI-generated output as our content and click Save. The last thing you're going to do is add another Airtable module. But this time, you're going to use the update or record action. Remember how our Airtable base has a scheduled field that's just a yes or no response? Well, this module is going to update that scheduled field to yes, letting us know in the future that the news topic of that row has been scheduled to Telegram already. Without further ado, let's run our entire scenario and see if it works. Everything looks good. If you hop back over to your Post Pulse dashboard, you'll find your Telegram post scheduled to go out to your channel. And that's how you create an automation that makes this side hustle as simple as a cup of coffee. So what are you waiting for? Comment Telegram side hustle to get this scenario as a workflow and make some passive income while you sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get more cool tricks like these.